I used to think I was just lazy, but I was actually protecting myself. There's a gap between who you are and who you want to become, and your brain hates that gap. So it sabotages you, not to destroy you, but to keep you safe. Here's why. Your brain categorizes change as a threat, even good change. So it manufactures doubt, anxiety, and reasons to stay put. That's not weakness, that's a survival mechanism. The fix? Reframe what you're actually afraid of. The real danger isn't failure, it's waking up in 10 years having never tried. Second, take one small action that contradicts who you think you are. You don't become confident and then act. You act, and then your brain updates your identity. That's how change actually happens. Third, make your future real. Not, I want to be successful, but in 18 months, here's exactly what I'm doing. When the future feels as real as right now, your brain stops fighting you. Here's the truth. Self-sabotage means your brain is doing its job, protecting you from the wrong thing, protecting you from discomfort instead of protecting you from regret. The moment you understand that, everything changes. Start small, take one action, watch your brain scramble to catch up. The rest will follow.